In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post to Facebook using make.com. This is perfect if you want to save time, stay consistent, and automate your Facebook posts without doing everything manually. First, log into your make.com account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the option to create a new scenario and click on it. This opens up a blank workspace where you'll build your automation. Now, on the scenario canvas, click the plus button to add a module. In the search bar, type Facebook pages. From here, choose what kind of post you want to create. If you want a text-only post, select Create a Post. If you want to post an image, choose Create a Post with Photos. And if you're posting a video, select Upload a Video. Pick the one that best matches the type of content you want to share. Next, you'll need to connect your Facebook account. Click Create a Connection and follow the prompts to log in and authorize make.com. You can also give your connection a name, which is useful if you manage multiple pages. Once your account is connected, you can customize your post, add your text, choose your image or video if needed, and set any scheduling options you want. This lets you plan posts ahead of time so they go live automatically. And that's it, you've now set up Facebook posting through make.com. This simple automation helps you stay active online while saving time and effort. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.